Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we'll learn how to change navigation bar or navigation button layout in Infinix Hot 11 smartphone. So this is a newly launched smartphone from the Infinix brand. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to click settings. Then you need to swipe up and click system. Then you need to click system navigation. Then you can find the two options here. The default one is 3 button navigation and the first one is called gesture navigation. If you want to enable gesture navigation, you have to click that. So it's a without a navigation panel option. If you want to return, swipe left or swipe right. If you want to change the navigation key position in the 3 button navigation, you need to enable that. Then open more settings. You can find the two options here. So one is recent key, home key and return key. You can change the order. You can change with return key, home key and recent key. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. Want to subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.